sergeant you see right here, Sergeant Kizzy Adonis, said in the report she believed she heard Garner say he was having difficulty breathing. Then went on to say the perpetrator's condition did not seem serious, and he did not appear to get worse.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a report from Channel 11 in New York back in July when this incident occurred. Of course, we're referring to the so-called chokehold death on Staten Island. The grand jury handing down no indictment yesterday. Joining us now on the Malzberg panel is David Swerdlick, columnist and contributing editor for TheRoot.com, and Adam Thompson, senior partner and owner of Adam Thompson Law, and also he is a criminal defense attorney. All right, let me start with you, David. It turns out, apparently, much to the chagrin, I guess, of many, that there was a black female sergeant in charge on the scene. I had Commissioner Kerrig, former NYPD commissioner, on earlier in the hour and asked him that if there was a sergeant there, would she or he be in charge of the scene? Could they have called off the arrest, etc.? The answer, yes. So you had a black sergeant overseeing this whole thing. How does that play to the race aspect of all this?
Well, the way I think it plays to the race aspect of all this is that I still think that when you get to the level of what happened on the sidewalk and what happened in the grand jury, I'm not saying the whole thing has to do with race, but I definitely feel that race is one component of this. I think it's inescapable. And the fact that there was a black woman there as a cop doesn't, in my view, change that. By the way, I think that...
Did you say as a cop or at the top? Did you say at the top or as a cop?
Sorry, as a cop, as a police officer.
Well, but she was more than a cop. She was she was in charge. She could have been in charge.
That. I understand that. What I'm saying to you, Steve, what I want to say is this. If that had been a black police officer choking a white man, I don't think this would have gone down that way. And if that had been a white police officer choking a black police officer choking a white man, I don't think the grand jury would have come back with no indictment. So that's the way I feel like this is about race.
All right. Adam, what about you? No Adam. All right, let's keep going, David.
Listen, I'm here, Steve. You got me.
Oh, Adam is there. Adam, somebody has it in for you because they told me no Adam. I don't know who you ticked off, but...
Maybe they don't want to hear my rant that I'm going to do. Listen, the jury's got it right in Trayvon Martin. They got it right in the Michael Brown case. The grand jury here got it wrong. You know, I've been doing criminal defense cases, civil rights cases for 25 years. And in this case, I don't care, white, black, whatever officers responded to the scene, you eliminate a lot of the he said, she said, because we have a video. And the video starts at the critical time before the chokehold is ever applied, all the way until basically the end of the situation. The police exacerbated and accelerated their response to what was going on unnecessarily. To me, clear excessive force. They overstepped their boundaries. A lot of other options they could have used and employed in this situation, and they failed to do it. The result,
wait, Adam, give me one other option they could have employed when the purpose was to arrest him. And by the way, according to the New York Daily News, wait, hey guys, wait a minute. We got 2 segments. Relax. According to the New York Daily News, the reason this was even an issue, the reason they were arresting people like him who had been arrested like 30 times prior for selling Lucy's cigarettes is because that the number 2 in the NYPD, according to the Daily News, the order to crack down on the sale of Lucy's came from the chief of department, Philip Banks, himself an African American, just for the record. So, Adam, what else could they have done?
I think what the other guest said is first they could have tried to issue him a ticket because this is that kind of offense. You issue a ticket.
No, time out. I just told you there was Adam, I just told you that according to the Daily News, there was a crackdown on these Lucy sellers, so they weren't going to issue a summons. They were going to arrest him. And he said, no, you're not touching me. So that's where we need to start from, David.
Steve, wait, one thing. First of all, it sounds like me and Adam are in agreement about they could have given him a ticket, but back to the question about race. if there was a black supervisor at the department who gave the order to make these kinds of arrests, I'm sure he did not order people to choke someone to death to effect the arrest. And second of all, if there was those other cops that were at the scene, I wanted to get back to what I was saying before.
All right, we'll have to finish that. We'll pick that up. We'll pick up on that in part 2. We're coming back with the panel.